Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome. Hi, my name is Paulina, and today we have a plan with me in my Hobonichi Weeks home planner. This is the Hobonichi Weeks white line in black. She is a soft cover, and she also comes in white that is called ivory. This is last week's spread, and I will link the plan with me to this up at the cards above. And now let's get ready for week 50 of 2022. We only have a few more weeks until we are in 2023. So let's go ahead and get started with the materials that we will be using for today. First, we have this washi, and it has this pretty designs, and I'm also using these foiled script stickers, and I've had this for quite some time now, and these are the pens that we will be using for today. And I'm going to go ahead and get started with cutting up the decorated washi, and these has the constellations of the night sky, and I thought that the blue was very similar to the blue of the city washi. So what I do with these types of washi is that I cut off the design right away and stick it on something so I could just pull it off of there when I'm ready to use them. And we have 3 big pieces right now, and then I'm going to go ahead and put down the smaller washi, the gold one, or rather gold foiled one, at the bottom. I'm not covering the coat because I like to see them in the future. I could read them from this planner. And then I'm also using the bigger decorated washi, and this has a city design, a city strip. And I was going to use this ruler to cut off the washi, but I was very unsuccessful, so I used my scissors instead. It's a little wonky, but that's alright. Next, we are going to be lining the pages. There are a few things that I'm going to do today that may be helpful for you as well. First, I'm dividing the left side of the page into 3 narrow columns of equal size, and I'm using the dots that are on this page to make the line straight. And that's very important for me because I like to have really crisp, clear, and straight lines. However, for this part of the lining, I am dividing the middle column into 2 different smaller sections. And it's not straight all the time, but oh well, that's what happens when you are planning. And you can always do better the next time. Now I'm deepening the lines that are already on the planner, and this is something that you have seen me do nearly in every video, I feel like, or if not, every single one of them. And this is what it looks like now. Next, let's go ahead and line the right side of the page, and I'm just dividing that big area into 2 columns of equal size once again. So all the columns that we have made are of equal sizes. And then I am extending my daily section from the left side of the page to the right side of the page. I did something similar but more extensive in my academic planner, and if you haven't seen that video, I will link it up at the top. And this is the highlighter that we are using today. I also used that in that video, and this is the purple one. And I'm using that to highlight the first set of or first line of grid on the right side of the page on the left column, and now I have that big space on the right that I can just use for whatever I would like. And now let's go ahead and put pen to paper. The pen that I'm using today is the Lamy Safari Vista, and the ink that I'm using is my holiday recommendation, and it is the Velvet Ballet from Ferris Wheel Press. So here I'm writing down the headers, and I'm putting this washi up at the top corner of the right side of the page, and I cut off the sides to make it flush to the paper or at least mimic the end of the paper, and that's my notes pages. And I just wanted to comment on the versatility of the Hobonichi Weeks. You can make your layout fit whatever week you're having because of the minimal design or layout that they have. And I highly encourage you to do that as well. Here I have the code or some letters to remind me what I'm supposed to write there, and then I'm also filling out some of the things that I already know is going to happen. However, the actual planning process actually happens offline. And on the right side of the page, on the highlighted part, I am rewriting the dates that are on the left side of the page, just so I don't need to like flip or look at the other side. Of course, that shouldn't be such a problem because this is such a small planner, but I just like to write the dates down there. And then on Saturday, I've put down one of our bigger pieces, and I'm writing down what day it is. It is quite a big day because it is the day that I am moving to my new home. It's going to be our first night there. And it's very exciting, yet at the same time, quite stressful. If you have moved before, then you know exactly what I'm talking about. And then something else is going to happen on that day. And I am choosing to use the foil script stickers from that stash. And it is actually my husband's birthday. And I'm just writing it down. Or rather, not writing it down, but commemorating it with stickers so that it seems extra special. And this is the design that we have. And then I have the leftover piece from one of our washi design, and I'm just putting that there so that it doesn't look too empty on that side. Next, I'm just using my pen once again to write down the things that I would need to do. It is going to be an early day because lots of things are happening. And I'm also writing down that it's going to be the last day to pack on Thursday because on Friday the big furnitures are going to be coming to the new house and someone has to be there. We haven't decided quite yet who's going to be there to watch for the furniture and the delivery. And now let's go ahead and go into our page anatomy. So we have 3 columns on the left page and 2 equal columns on the right page. All of them, once again, are equal columns. And on the left side of the page, we have the today. And the next column is meals, that's divided into L for lunch and D for dinner. That is my meal planning, and then finance. And then on the right side of the page, we have my moving out schedule and things to do that's specifically for moving out. We still have a garage sale on Tuesday and Wednesday, and then notes pages. And this is the completed spread. It's pretty good. And that is it for us today. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want some more planning videos, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And I'll see you in the next one.